This cheetah will make that sound to warn any of its predators to not come close because it will attack. Cheetahs will purr when they're happy if they want to fight or get their prey, the prey that they wanted. This cheetah will make this sound when it's angry in a fight. Its eyes will get more fierce and its muscles will get bigger. And it will mostly want to fight if that happens. Cheetah will make that sound to call other cheetahs if they need help. For example, if they're in a fight and they can't win, or the other animal is stronger, if they got hurt and cannot move.